The first would be Sir John's 50% rule. So he never replaced an investment in his portfolio unless he could find one 50% better. And he told people the time to invest is when you have the money. But he said the average person is going to rationalize spending their money. So the best time for them to invest it is when they have it. 2, keep a wish list of securities in your desk drawer that you have chosen when your mind is rational. I do this. It works really well. This is the biggest tool in my toolkit. When markets fall, things get really scary. Pull out the list and go to work. There's a powerful psychological shift that happens when you do that. You quit focusing on the money you have lost and you start thinking about the returns you're going to reap because you're buying these incredible businesses that were not cheap enough to buy before the panic. It shifts the psychology. It shifts your mind. It is palpable. It's the most powerful tool I have. I kid you not. I suggest you all use it. Enter trades in the morning. You have less willpower as the day goes on. That has been proven. So if you need to lose weight, exercise in the morning. That's when I do it. Enter your trades in the morning. That's when you're thinking rationally. You have less willpower as the day goes on. Don't react to the market in the afternoon and enter trades. Make your rational decisions in the morning. Do your own research and be prepared to accommodate the sellers. It is your duty as a kind human being. If they need to sell their stocks, accommodate them. And I'll close with this. This is my favorite picture of my uncle ever. He's reading the Wall Street Journal at the North Pole. And I once asked him if you could have one piece of information to share with investors, one piece of advice, one word, what would it be? And he said, patience. He lived in New York. He sold his business. They wouldn't buy this small component of his business called the Templeton Growth Fund. He was retired, so he just took it with him to the Bahamas. And that's when his career took off in his late 60s. But I one time asked him about managing money there, and I said, tell me about managing money in the Bahamas. And he said, well, actually, my returns got better when I started managing money here. And I said, well, why do you think that is? And he said, well, I think it's because I get the Wall Street Journal 3 days later than everybody else. And he was serious. You don't have to react right away. And one way to do that is to read old newspapers.